The power of herbal health, nature's hidden medicine. What if the most powerful medicine wasn't found in a pharmacy, but growing quietly in nature all around you? What if healing didn't always come in pills, but in leaves, roots, seeds, and herbs used for generations? Welcome to the world of herbal health. For thousands of years, before modern hospitals and synthetic drugs, our ancestors relied on one thing: nature. From Africa to Asia, from ancient villages to royal kingdoms, herbs were the first form of medicine. And today, many of those natural remedies still hold incredible power. Herbal health is not just about treating sickness. It's about strengthening the body, restoring balance, and preventing disease before it even begins. Because true health is not just survival, it's vitality. Why herbal health matters today. In today's world, many people are facing constant fatigue, chronic illnesses, weak immunity, and stress. Modern medicine can treat symptoms, but often, it doesn't address the root cause. That's where herbal health comes in. Nature works differently. It heals gently, deeply, and holistically. Take a look at some of the most powerful herbs around us. Ginger, known for fighting inflammation and boosting digestion. Garlic, a natural antibiotic that strengthens the immune system. Bitter leaf, used for detoxification and blood purification. Turmeric, a golden spice with powerful healing properties. These are not just ingredients. They are medicine. But herbal health is not about quick fixes. It's a lifestyle. A return to natural living. A deeper understanding of what your body truly needs. And a commitment to long-term wellness. The truth about natural healing. Let's be clear. Not every herb is magic. Not every remedy works overnight. But when used correctly, consistently, and wisely, herbal medicine can transform your health in ways you never imagined. However, knowledge is key. Using herbs without understanding them can be dangerous. Dosage matters. Preparation matters. Your body's condition matters. That's why this channel exists. Here, you will learn simple herbal remedies you can prepare at home. How to use everyday plants for healing. Natural solutions for common health problems. And powerful wellness tips rooted in African and traditional knowledge. From immune-boosting drinks, to natural detox solutions, to remedies for pain, digestion, and skin health. We will explore it all. Why go natural? Because your body understands nature. It recognizes real food, real plants, real healing. And sometimes, the simplest solution is the most powerful one. Imagine waking up with more energy, a stronger immune system, clearer skin, better digestion, and a healthier life, naturally. That journey begins here. This is more than just a channel. This is a movement back to natural healing. A place where ancient wisdom meets modern awareness. If you believe in the power of nature, if you want to take control of your health, and if you're ready to discover the healing secrets hidden in herbs, then subscribe to this channel. Because your health is your greatest wealth. Stay natural. Stay healthy. And let nature heal you.